the dusty west. We carry our dreams in a battered chest. No rush, no fence, no...
G'day folks, welcome back to Ed and Shazz Adventures. Right, have you ever thought about being on the road and getting unwell, get a cold, get a flu, tablets, you get over it? Right, but what about a backache? What about doing your back end? I've seen people on YouTube that have done their back end, and I tell you what, it looks painful. I know it's painful. I've got a back problem, so I want to take it nice and easy out there. Changing a spare tyre, let's go to that. Getting a spare tyre off your van from a height. They're not light either, are they? So I've got a company in Perth that will solve the problem, called Van-Aide. Right? They're in Waroona in Western Australia. I've got one on my van at the present moment. Let's go and check it out. Right? Right guys, here we go at the back. So this is the Van-Aide, right, by Trevor Floyd. That's his email on there. I'll put down for you guys in the back of this movie how to contact these guys, how to email them. The pamphlet will be there. Right, so what have we got here? A little winch. It's an X-Bull. Right. You've got your little brake, your wires. Now, this comes in the pack. You've got an adjustment rod. Well, take it off, of course. You've got your hook, your bearing. Right, now it comes with the strap on your tyre. It's pretty easy. You strap it in like that. Right, that's where your hook goes on. Now you have remote, so arrows say it all, don't they? You got your up, down, right? So this yellow blue connects on the yellow blue, and then we've got the main one which connects to your car or a porta pack, anything that you've got that produces power, right, to drive this little winch. We'll go through it later on, audio, and show you how to get it off. Right, as you see here too, we've got height adjustments. Comes with U-bolts, 2 U-bolts, so the whole pack.
Ed and Shazz, laughing in the backseat slow. We chase that sun.
Yeah, get rid of your backache. Get rid of spoiling your holiday and going, oh, let's go home, hun. Just done me back in. Be sitting on bed for 6 weeks. No, this is even good enough for a woman to do. Don't forget, guys, we do porties. We do that job. Women can do this job. Makes it easier for them to give them a hand. Okay, there's 2 styles of this Van-Aide, right? You got your electric one, which I'm showing you guys now, right? But you also got another version, which is the winch. So you can manually do it yourself. You don't have to set up all the electrics or anything like that, or go and get your car. It's just winch her up and down. Rightio. Whackety whack, mate. Why not buy one of these? You know, might spoil your holiday if you ain't got one. Give it a go. Changes your life. Changes everyone's life. Makes everyone happy. Remember, one person out with a family, bad back, spoils it for everyone. If you've got to go home and cut your trip short, you don't want that, do you? So I recommend buy one, test them out, have a yarn with the guys in the workshop, email them, text them, whatever you want to do. Check out the brochure on the back of this. I'll put it in this movie. Check it out, and yeah, go for it, guys. As you see, just plug it into there, right? We've got it all plugged in, right? Yellow onto blue, red onto black towards your car. It's connected up here. I've already taken that stud out, right? All we do is a little bit up, move her across, down we go, like that, right? We'll take this off, just unclip that, right, like this, and pull her off, unclip that, right? How easy is that? Put it back for your spare tyre, tighten her up, right? So that ain't gonna go nowhere. Got your hook on, rightio. Now you just press the up. Whoops, that was down. Sorry. Up we go. Pull her across. Right. Get your first stud in. Like that. And on we are. How good's that? Let's get your nuts. This is on your tyre. Right on, say that's your flatty, and put your nuts back in. Right. So I've got one nut in at the moment. It's, yeah, Bob's uncle, and a kid can do this work. That's nothing to that. So easy. Make sure you got a couple of nuts and bolts on. Rightio. Put your nuts in. Take the pressure off. Right. Take your hook out. Put your pin back in. Like that. So that's tight. Undo it. And just connect up to there, tighten her up. That's it, it's nice and tight. Rightio. We unplug it. So we unplug that, rightio. Normally I have the, what you call it, the rubbish bag liner on the back. So this can sit in the side pockets because I've got two pockets. And yeah, that's pretty easy to do. So put that away. And now you just undo this strap, put your finger on, down, and just pull her out. That's it. And then you're gonna go and tighten your nuts. How easy is that? That is your Van-Aide, a hoist for your spare tyre, which I said before, it comes in very handy, especially if you've got a back problem. Recommend you get one straight away. Get these guys to build you one. Make the measurements up for your Caravan, all caravans are apparently different, and what you guys see on YouTube now, this is the very first movie that I can think of that's ever been released on YouTube. So whoever sees this is the first one to see it. Oh guys, and I forgot to tell you guys too, you do get a roll of this with it, so don't panic, you don't have to buy one I suppose. But I'll tell you what, if you make one up, put it underneath your caravan and from the front, because the length is the same, and it's called a just in case I have a flat tyre, and you don't have to get all this gear out. You can just plug and play. How's that? And here's another one what I didn't mention to you guys. This still got Pilbara dust on it. I never cleaned it up. Liar. A little bit, right? Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. I'm not covered in dirt. So that's another thing with this. Normally you get covered and you get red as anything, right? I don't know how you're going to go with your spare tyre, but you just roll it along and have gloves on. Hope to see you for more updates and tips on caravans, and don't forget, like and subscribe. Don't ask them that often, but we're getting to the 2, so keep it revved up, boys and girls, women, children. Thanks for watching.
As it falls in the night.